Before you install your ink system, make sure you've got the following items: 1 syringe with adapter, 2 sets of dual lock circles, 2 rubber stoppers, 2 deck clips, 1 alcohol pad, 1 small funnel, 6 vent filters, 1 system with bottles, 1 small Rubbermaid box, 6 white clips, and 6 white lids for bottles. Set the cartridges on a level surface. Remove fill and vent plugs. Replace shipping cap on ink bottles with filling cap. Fill ink bottles with appropriate ink using the funnel provided. Remember, put the ink in the right bottles. After filling ink, place ventilation filters in bottle with the larger end inserted in the bottle assembly and replace fill plugs. Ensure the ink cartridge is placed on the same surface as the printer. The ink bottle should never be elevated above the print head, or ink may drip from the print heads. Keeping the bottles beside the printer and at the same level assures the ink delivery system will operate properly. After the bottles are filled, remove binder clip from tubing. Ink should flow from the bottles to the cartridge. If the ink does not flow and fill the cartridge, the syringe with the white adapter can be used to prime the system. Insert the adapter in the cartridge port and pull back on the syringe plunger until you withdraw a small amount of ink. This will remove any air from the nozzle area. This may also be used if the system is removed from the printer or if the system loses prime. Open the printer cover. Press the yellow button on the front of the printer to make the print head move to the left. Unplug the printer from its electrical source. Set the newly filled cartridges inside the cartridge bay. Close the cartridge holder lids until they snap into place. Tubing will protrude from beneath the black cartridge lid and should sweep towards the left side of the printer. Clean the area indicated with the alcohol pad and let it dry. Pull the release paper off the support bracket and attach it to the marked position shown. Firmly press down. Slide the print head left and right as far as it will go to ensure that none of the tubing or any part of the system touches the interior of the printer. When you are confident that the system will not interfere with the normal print head movement, push the print head to the far right into the parked position. Mark the position for the rubber bumpers used to prop open the lid. The bumpers should be far enough towards the back of the printer to keep the lid from putting pressure on the acrylic support arm. Clean the printer and the bottom of the rubber bumpers with alcohol pad and attach the Velcro circles to the bumper and to the printer as shown. Push firmly into place. Attach clip on right side of printer to take up slack from tubing. Turn on the printer and allow the printer cartridge to return to home position. Slide each clamp so it hangs loosely and does not pinch the tubing. From the Properties menu of the printer, choose the Maintenance tab, select Clean, and run clean until ink is moving through the tubing. It may be necessary to lift the bottle carriage temporarily to allow for better flow. From the Properties menu of the printer, choose the Maintenance tab, select the Nozzle check, and then Print. Make sure all the nozzles are printing correctly. If not, select Clean, then Start. Run Nozzle check print once again. Repeat process until a good nozzle check is achieved. Your system is now ready to print. Be prepared to fill the ink when the ink is less than 1/3 of the bottle left. Keep it out of the reach of your children. Make sure the reservoir bottles are the same level with the printer or the system will leak. Turn off the printer at the end of the day to ensure proper capping and start up in the morning.